Most women are afraid of taking up space, and the reason for that is because women are generally told, "Ukuthi, ungaphapi, don't do this. This is so unladylike," especially when you are growing up. You are told that in order to be accepted by society, you need to be or act in a certain way. As a result, you end up shrinking yourself in order to fit those society standards. And also, another thing that I noticed is that people who shrink themselves are usually their own worst critic. They are so critical of themselves to a point of they end up procrastinating on things that they really want to do. They end up not trying out new things because of the fear of what are people going to say if this all fails, and they end up not being in spaces because they feel that they are less deserving of those spaces. Our bodies were never designed for success. They were designed to keep us safe. So taking up space, it requires you to take a risk. And that risk feels so unnatural to the body to a point where you would say, no, it's okay, I'll just do this some other time. Meanwhile, 3 years down the line, you haven't written the book that you really wanted to write, or you haven't started the business that you really wanted to start, or worse, you have stayed in a job that you hated because it's safe. So I noticed that once you work on regulating your nervous system, that's going to be such a game changer. It's going to help you not be afraid to be seen and to take up space. Once you stop being your own worst critic, you are able to take up space. So what if the business fails? You can always start another one. And we tend to think that people are looking at our every move, but the truth is nobody cares about you as much as you think they do. Nobody is watching you as much as you think that they are. And if they are, why not give them a show? So if they laugh at you for trying out new things, hey, at least you are living, at least you are trying. Most people are afraid. So take up that space. Take up space. Don't let the fear of the unknown stop you from achieving your dreams.